415-volt slip ring motor on receipt. Rear view of the slip ring. Carbon brushes on the slip ring. The non-driving end. View of the bearing with grease contaminant. The slip ring after carbon brushes are removed. View of the rotor on connection end. View of the stator on the non-connection end after rotor is removed. Close-up view of the winding seen with dust contaminant. View of the stator on the connection end. Close-up view of the winding on the connection end. The rotor. Rotor cleaned and application of anti-tracking paint done. The connection after stator is cleaned and painted with anti-tracking paint done. View of the stator on the non-connection end. Rotor inserted in the stator. Slip ring skimmed and fitted. New carbon brushes fitted. Motor tested, painted and ready for collection. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.